Okay, so let's plot some points. We have the point A, which is at 0, 4. So I start at the origin, and x is 0. So I do not move right or left. I stay here. And then my y is a positive 4, so I move up 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is here, and it's on the y-axis, right? Always label everything. I'm going to switch to a different color, and I'm going to do point B. Start at the middle. My x is -3, so I move left, 1, 2, 3. My y is also -3, so I move down, 1, 2, 3. Here is point B. Point C, start at the origin. My x is +2, so move to the right, 1, 2. My y is 0. I do not move up or down. Here's point C. This one's on the x-axis. And my last point is 4, -4. Start at the origin. X is +4. Move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is -4. So move down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's point D. So check that with what you had. Hopefully it's the same. You're going to do 4 more practice problems and then take your exit ticket.